We take our little washer here, and we slide it over in front of the stove, put a couple bucks underneath the fan. There's the cook.
Hi everybody. So we are in Oregon right now visiting some friends. Who's a friend of mine from, we haven't seen each other since right before we got married. We got married within a week of each other. So our kids, we both have kids that are about the same ages. So our kids are so excited to meet other kids their ages and be able to just hang out and have fun. So we are parked in their driveway at the moment at their house, and we're going to spend the next couple of days there. So we went to church this morning, and now we're going to have a big breakfast afterwards, kind of a potluck style.
Brunch, right?
Yep, brunch. So I thought I would show you how we do that in a trailer, how we get ready for breakfast, because that's actually one of the more common questions that we get is how we cook in the trailer. So we stopped at the grocery store, and we picked up, well, between all of us, we have, let's see, 16 people, I think. So 4 adults and the rest are kids. So we got 2 big things of eggs, the 18 pack of eggs. And then we got some bags of already cut up potatoes. And we got some sausages.
Sausages here.
Yep.
Some smoked cheddar sausages, because that's what Daddy likes, so Daddy picked them out.
So we're going to make up some scrambled
Everybody likes
eggs.
cheese in our house, though.
So we're making some eggs on the stove. We'll make some scrambled eggs. We have limited space, so I'm doing some on the stove and some in our Ninja Foodie. This Ninja Foodie has been such a lifesaver on the road.
Sure has.
It has an Instapot. It has, you can cook in it, you can bake in it, you can saute, broil. It has an air fryer in it. So our oven is actually not working at the moment. Our stove is, but not our oven. And so we just use our Ninja Foodie. I don't really bake a whole lot, so that's fine. But so I have the eggs going on the stove. We have a propane stove. And then this is electric, obviously. So one of the nice things about that is when we're boondocking, we don't have electric, so we just use our stove. And when we're hooked up at a campground, paying a flat rate, then we use the electric, so we don't have to pay extra. So just a little tip for budgeting on the road. So get some eggs going, another spatula.
I have to show you here our ingenious little fan setup we got going here. So we have 2 of these little heater / fan units we bought. We use the heater end of them during the winter when you're in the cold months there. And then in the summer, they're good to add some extra fans. We do have AC in the trailer here, but these fans are good because this little fume hood here, the fan doesn't always pull out all the smoke from the stove top. So our fire alarm will go off, and then sometimes too, if it's cold out, we got the doors closed. It can really get smoky in here. So we take our little washer here, and we slide it over in front of the stove, put a couple bucks underneath the fan, and it helps blow the air up into the hood to keep it. I'm just looking up, but.
Because everything in this trailer has to have more than one purpose. If it doesn't have more than one purpose, it doesn't belong in here.
Right. Sometimes you got to improvise on the road too. If you don't have lack of space, and obviously you don't have the same size appliances and counter space, but obviously, like anything, you always find a way to make it work if you're in that situation. So, but it's been working out pretty good overall. Like Chrissy said too, we love this Ninja Foodie. Is so cool. It really does a lot of different things.
It's a slow cooker too, so if we're on full hookups and we're going to be out for the day, sometimes I'll throw food in the morning and just put the slow cooker on, and then when we get back, then the dinner's ready, which is great. So we try to keep things really simple. Meals are usually very simple. try to eat healthy as well, so it does help to have devices like that so that we can keep it healthy but simple.
Right.
We're gluten-free for the most part, so that eliminates bread, but we just be creative and either wrap it with a corn tortilla or eat it on a salad or cut up like the hot dogs and put them in with beans, things like that.
Up here you can see we have our Berkey. This thing's awesome if you're on the road. Pick up one of these. It's got filters. It's got 2 charcoal filters and 2 fluoride filters in it, so it really purifies the water. So it's nice no matter where we are on the road, because you're always hooking up to different water sources. You're not sure if they're the best, or sometimes they'll have a really high chlorine they put in them that doesn't taste kind of nasty. But this is nice because it purifies it. You could technically put muddy water in here. You could have, you know, clean water come out, but
so they say. We haven't tried.
Yeah, we haven't tried that, but that's what they say it is. So that's how that works.
We don't want to clog up our filters.
So we usually fill everybody's cups. Everybody's got a stainless steel bottle, one of these they carry around because they're nice. They actually cuts down on throwaway stuff, non-disposable, and they're actually healthier for you. You're not getting the plastics into your water after a while, you know. So.
And everybody just has one.
Yes, everybody has one.
Bottle.
So we fill those up, and then the Berkey, usually can get a full thing out of that. We have another larger steel one we bring for extra water, and then we have a pitcher water too if we run out, and then we just have to refill that. We have a hose that hooks into the our sink here for that reason, and we just stick it up into the Berkey, fill it up, and then it drips in there in about, I don't know, a couple hours you have the whole bottom's full, and you can you know, utilize that for our water. So yeah, so those are some of the things we do. Over here we keep a lot of our nuts. We eat a lot of nuts too. It's healthier for you now, so we're eating lots of walnuts, almonds, cashews, that kind of thing. Got some of our vegetables. We eat a lot of peppers, yellow and red peppers, and then we have the broccoli, that kind of stuff, which is nice. So we keep that stuff all up on top here. Some little extra containers, some distilled water for other things, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's how we do. So we do breakfast and meals here in the Maney trailer. Yeah, we got a lot of smaller fridge, so you have to. That's the thing about grocery shopping too on the road. You really have to plan for only like 3 days for stuff that'll, you know, it's perishable. And we're usually going through it anyways. We go through like a gallon of milk in a couple days. Cereal, cheese. Like I said, we love cheese in this house. We throw a lot of cheese. Stuff that need to be refrigerated. You know, rice, that kind of stuff. So it's probably about every 3 days that we're getting food, I would say, right, Chris?
Probably. Sometimes more.
Yeah.
And it depends.
Right. But anyways, we just wanted to show you how to, this is how we prepare meals for a larger family on the road. How to make it work, to make it the most convenient, you know.
You know, the other thing, obviously, well, the lighting is really bad. Obviously, we don't have a dishwasher, which at first I thought was going to be really hard, but it actually works out really nice. We're super minimal, so everybody has one plate. We have enough silverware for, you know, everybody. Our plates, actually, I'll show you these. These are our plates.
These are nice plates.
They also are
all
bowls.
Metal, and they're like bowls, yep.
So we don't have to have plates and bowls. We just have our plate bowls.
Yep.
They're easy to wash. They're lightweight. They don't break when we're traveling, because we had to keep that in consideration too. So we have the plates, and we also have our cups.
We should put the link up for that stuff.
Yeah,
below.
I'll put the link on our website. Go to our website, ManeyRoadsOfLife.org, and I'll start a section for resources, and you can go and look at them there.
Right.
So we're very minimal, so obviously we have to wash everything after it's used, or else we're not going to have dishes for future use, other meals. So, but that's good, because then it keeps the the sink empty of dirty dishes, and
Yep.
it's constantly clean. Plus we
Keeps it
have,
clean.
well, not 5, but 4 little dishwashers. So everybody takes a turn at washing dishes,
Yeah.
And helping dry dishes and put
That's
them
good
away.
too, yeah.
and
To build some work
good
ethic
responsibility.
and responsibility with the kids. Nick isn't really into the mix yet, so it's the 4 older ones that do it.
He gets to line the shoes up.
He gets to
That's his chore.
That's Nick's job. So, but yeah. So just some stuff. Show you how we're doing it here. So,
Okay, so
anyways, have a great day, and we'll be talking to you.